onde taiyo oresegia asa assembly nana gekogera gwikira boniga before togende Senate statement injare iseti wase house ngagete nabarari mwensi no mwarenge and you are aware statement yeyu yare isetigu ere concerned about the conduct of the clerk asengenjo yechikura chiagetu chiobo chia impeachment yo mugavana yarenge gochimaega bono kere statement yare isi wase house a body kaba directed ekore investigation eiranie report ase assembly kero twegwa twatebigu torigie tokore report yeyo tokamagocha kogenda Senate almost after 1 month asengenjo into whatever we are working on. We are not working on the statement of Senate. We are working on the statement ya betere isidi ase house ego concern e conduct yo clerk igo kende gionsi akoborigu mangana Senate mangana ndonsi ase gitaiyo egento twakoborigu nkeriri iswari ririra isina nkwasogeti chiparoti chiagetu chikura ekina kigento kere raisi atebe yes or no ibori rinda koborigwa nkwa confirmeti abantu irigari already ekina kiabo kere EACC ne process yabo yokorikwa ere irigo asengenjo segi nchiyo otatigecho ekine kintu gyoka koborigwa onya ne kiara na atakaboniga unagokore process yeyu nabago kiegwa onde tayo morinete kiara na ande tari into podi tokoru kiara kiara igakogenda echine chi process ya masakara ebintu bya finance ne robi manyete into we were given a directive abuati into what we are dealing with ne concern yes statement ya receipt we house ekobori conduct yae buno mokrak igo amabori aboriri amasinini arotigairaneri asengenjo gentongio kere outside ekiao asengenja abanyamira mbabwento manyana ki omokiraki unagotebigu nabwate taka confirm abantu ekoldoime podieta manyeti nobo maena ose nobo limo nasogeti chiparoti abantu bagete chikura bali bangainereti nangwa kabare nogo sengwa kabare yes bakabe exposed nagekora nonye mambi totaite public yonsi emanyana ki egenta kobuliguneki ngao egente kiabere buno mugavanori orenge koborigwa masakarae amaote na serikali ya Kenya kwanza kokoraki ekondwani ata iguntu ento tutake totoe na masakara go sengenuine akorteki ngenuine yari bona kiraki nera akoboriguna ebintu biago mbuya bire mbobe bire ekina kiyoka kote abanyamira nothing outside that. A body is an independent body ekorani assembly etari kurigerie bintu tokorokana external factors. This is an internal issue etari mangana na something which we are hiding on onye ndibi arenge koba hidden abantu ba muiraneti ne body ya boniga kangare ndonye twarenge kobisa kangarende ntu amuiraneti it is just a disciplinary matter ere serious house abwenete go answer on nothing like nothing kebisire kende gionsi into we are ready kende gionsi go chungustiga ge chungusu na kitoko teberana into tigairaniria mabori aboriri atie konya kwebisa asa konya gotena ngominyo kigware tari njenari se statement house vice chair ya etwe report ekategune board shugulikere report yeyu monyerete house within 14 days kwani into tenenie process yeyu. We don't have powers to go the new process. It's a statement which was raised in the house. You go on the tayo komo minyoki and ons. Na ande tari njende ise statement, tari mheshimiwa chwari raise the statement. A statement raise tigu ne member ya assembly.
Chengoro kwa mheshimiwa Joel Ombongi Nyang'au, mheshimiwa Bokera ward. Litangani assembly yaito is very peaceful. In Tubune board we are independent and we are fair to serve everyone freely. Again tokeroro tubwate issues tuarore homo clerk itugakona gukwana on social media tuarore gakoru tantrums nga is being we chanted but we want to say we are on course administratively etokorega sieteri to chorire bune board na be decision yitera abe unpopular gosebe mbe gosebe ngia but at the end of the day tuligetinga umonyamira no mo assembly at large akoreru haki yae ntu abwate issues chia raised as a assembly igoro ya conduct yomo clerk na intubune board ntubabwata other issues amagosa aye na arororo kulingana ne lirube tuamurika rikuru kwe show cause letter iyo etagete ng'achiche eresere ase committee na inubuna media mobero motegerere ng'a amagosa aye naro ntubwate evidence tugutwara evidence then from there tukore any administrative action igo ng'anto tete kubeka genteke getige koba political intubuna a board tutaraenda senate a statement kanye yabere raised initially amagosa aya arororo is very different igosa riaje te comment kana erimo ne eringa ogenda otokonya go urikari rube goteba nga tomokonye tomo relieve some duties iwe koroku sharing of roles due to health issues atebe taruarite biye komanya ntobwate rirube ri documented na inde ntobwate minute ya signed bado genda senate goteba nga tamanyeti manganayo agatotiga in the limelight yaba na inchina etomo forced to do something and eto be clear iga we are young professionals, we are growing ekarato igetega iga assembly etu a role yokorige na ki affairs chi assembly chikoran onye karo chingandu bwate bo tutukanu bonde bwensi osobo kurumimbo le tokorete obwago claim gose onde bwensi ago claim na senate na igweta ago claim tiga bachi batu arrest togenda tu ansa machibu ayunto bwate ekiagara muna tumayetenga we are clean, very clean oyo kagetenga na bwate issues na intwe tigachiche egia gatatu senators keratu ajiete senate mbata the directive nga tomorien state wine clerk litangani ingito korini state lio montore clerk oyu to korini state no lio salary he is the clerk and he is the accounting officer of this assembly tobe ke line yere ne negativo bo accounting officer no bo signatory you can be a signatory but not the accounting officer a signatory no lio go authorize transactions chiakoro. An accounting officer nerore answerable to all the affairs and the management of resources in any institution. So when we took him as Senate, etu amwerete bune accounting officer nerore in charge ya mangana aronsi assembly. Delegation wise, of course, ekara ruete suspension na sangeti a deputy clerk kaganda te coact bune clerk nerore nge signatory. On that regard, ntu amotigeta agachake process yogo chenchi ekiara which he has all the documents na indena chagete process asa nyikereti tarato irand report which is not our role to follow ngokori our role ne ritokomwa ego ahead nga chake process kono ga chakirende gaki goikerabu totaba treasury totaba central bank nga itokosoera report which is not our role to follow ngokori our role ne ritokomwa ego ahead nga chake process kono ga chakirende gaki goikerabu totaba treasury totaba central bank nga itokosoera